This one is from Susan. My grandmother was broadsided by a lady who admitted to running a stop sign. One friend was killed instantly. Oh, and my grandmother died later. What legal rights do we have?
Susan, it's very unfortunate, and I'm very sorry that you lost your grandmother. And of course, it sounds like a friend of your grandmother or a friend of the family as well in an automobile accident. Still to this day, automobile accidents kill 40 to 50,000 Americans a year. And just the simple act of not paying attention and somebody running the stop sign, has caused this tragedy. So what are your rights, or what are the family's rights? Well, this is a wrongful death case, even though it involves an automobile accident. So because it's a wrongful death case in the state of Florida, presumably, it's a 2-year statute of limitations. So it doesn't matter whether you're in Georgia, Alabama, Florida, wrongful death cases have a 2-year statute of limitations. Now, it's different a little bit for medical malpractice cases. You can have an extension for those, but let's just say that the statute of limitations is 2 years. So what the family needs to do is bring a legal claim against the driver and the owner, and perhaps do some further investigation to see whether or not the owner was doing an errand for somebody else, maybe an employer, maybe running, actually it may have been a delivery driver, we don't know. We just recently had a case like this where we were able to resolve it for the family. We discovered that the person was doing an errand for a corporation. Had we not discovered that, we would have been limited to the small policy that the driver and the owner had on their vehicle. Instead, we were able to get to a corporate policy and provide full and fair compensation for the family. So you have to investigate this. It's not something that you should recognize and do on your own. Also, uninsured motorist benefits may be available. PIP and no-fault benefits will be available both as the medical bills for your grandmother as well as death benefits. There may be medical payments coverage. Like I tell folks, there may be as many as 9 different types of insurance on a simple car accident, one car versus another car. And in this case, you don't want to leave any stone unturned. Please reach out to a personal injury law firm. We'll be more than happy to help you. But there are many personal injury law firms in the area, and they would take it for free, do a contingency fee, meaning they don't pay, or you don't pay them unless there is an ultimate recovery. You get, it's called a contingency fee. So they do all the work. If there's no recovery, you don't pay them anything. If they are able to find other avenues for recovery, you pay them a percentage of the legal claim that they recover.